How's it going, everybody? At the casino at Dania Beach on some Ultimate X bonus streak, starting off on Deuce Wild bonus. Let's see how we do before we start, though, thanks to our partner on the videos.
Casino.org. Check them out for the latest and casino news, reviews, and strategy.
All right, let it rip, dude. Too fast. Nothing, because it's Deuce's Wild.
Oh. So we're starting in triple-double.
No, that's why I said we're starting in Deuce's Wild bonus.
Oh, I wasn't paying any attention. I never pay any attention to anything you say. You know.
Oh, I know. So you need a flush or better to get the 224 bonus streak, or a straight flush or better to get the big bonus streak that goes 5 of them up to 12x. And if you get a hand that would give you a multiplier on a hand that has any multipliers left, it maxes all the remainders out to 12x.
No king ace, huh?
Another full house on that same spot. It's weird.
Would have been better in triple-double, but it is what it is, as they say.
It do be like that. Anytime you want to get dealt a winning hand, Dad, feel free.
I'm trying.
All right, look out. Let's get your stink off.
I'm trying.
There
That looks
you
a little
go.
better. Oh boy, you've got a shot here for 4 deuces for 1,000 credits. One straight.
I would like to point out I held 3 deuces.
Wow,
1, 2, 3,
that's
4,
terrible.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of them I did not improve.
Wow, that is
Is
crazy.
astronomically hard to do.
That is. Wow.
So I'm going for this because any flush you hit, it'll bump them all to 12s.
Oh my gosh, don't touch that button. What have I got there for you?
A whole bunch of nothing.
I was afraid you were going to say that. Oh my god. Better than the last time.
Yeah, a lot better.
Wow.
I'm not going to go for the 4 to the flush here with 2 deuces.
Is that
That's
better than
more
you
like
did
it.
with 3 deuces?
Yeah, and I got 2 12s there, 2 12s there, 2 12s there, 2 12s there. Deal me a winner. Turn that into a winner, Dad. You did. You definitely did.
Wow, 240 and 180. Wow, that was pretty good. Holy moly. That was a quintuple though.
125 doll hairs. Alright, you hit 2. Oh, you hit 2 of them. Look at you go. And then you got 2 more 12s out there.
2 180s there? Wow. Look at this. Maybe we got the secret here.
Oh, what's the secret? Win?
Yeah, the secret to winning.
Is win.
Push the button at the right time is the secret.
Alright, let me get the last one here.
Wow.
Here, now, I'm good at getting dealt hands. Now, you got to improve on them.
Wonderful. Straight flush, here
You got to go for it because the straight, well,
Yeah. Can't keep it
you would
straight
win,
anyway.
but yeah, you got to go for the straight flush to get the big multipliers.
2 of them.
At least we didn't miss the 12x, so we got a lot of multipliers here. What can we do with them? It's going to say flush or better. It's going to be a little hard to get a flush holding 2 10s.
Here's your straight flush. Wow, look out.
Okay, you can take back over.
How does that look? You go for a 3-card flush?
No, not with those
Too many
monster multipliers.
multipliers?
Well, I guess that's...
It didn't help very much.
Why did I let you hit the button?
Because I got 3 of a kind. Twice for 50 credits each.
Okay, now I'm going to do the 12 X's. Oh boy. Oh boy.
At least I got 3 of a kind.
Yeah, well, I got a natural full house, Dad, so how about that? Here, turn that into a winner, would you? Ooh, that's a winner. 200 credits base. One more deuce. There you go.
Come on. Just the one.
Well, whatever.
Take it.
You got an 80 and a 40. And of course the 200. Now get Delta flush or better.
4 of a kind would do it, right?
Yep. Two is better than none. That is a heck of a lot of multipliers there, Dad.
Yeah.
What can you do with it?
Bunches of flushes, I hope.
Would like to point out every single flush is natural.
Well, that's the way I go through life, all natural.
Here, now I'm going to get the 4 deuces.
I hope
ready.
you do. Get it. I said there wasn't much improvement there in the first 5 hands.
But I got it up there.
You did better, yeah. Good job.
$150
Do
there.
it again.
Oh, Delta! Oh my God! Why
Oh,
wasn't this
no.
triple double?
Wrong game.
But still, look at these monster multipliers.
Wow. Oh dear God.
Oh,
Triple double.
would have been 2,500 before the multiplier.
Wow.
That was still 1,100 though.
Wow.
How the hell did we win so much? Oh, a 10x there, 2, 2,
Oh,
2.
wow.
Okay, yeah, that wasn't that bad.
Do it again.
Would only been. Well,
Good luck with that. You're wasting an awful lot of multipliers. Oh my God.
okay,
that was
you
horrible.
turn that into a winner then. Wild Royal times
Wild Royal
12.
would be
Let's see
awesome.
it.
It was 125 before the multiplier.
Yep.
One away.
Well, you still won. Whatever. Get your 5 4s again. There you go. You won.
Saved by 1. Here, you do something with those 12s. Straight flush would be awesome.
Hitting that many 10x's is just as good.
Turn
I'll
that
let you.
into
I'll
a
let
winner.
you
Oh,
turn
dear
that
God,
into a
that's
winner.
ugly.
Oh
dear
jeez.
God.
Oh jeez.
Oh dear God.
I was going to say that might have been a good time to switch games, but
Now is.
okay. Well, I don't know. We're up $700. Let's keep going here. And don't forget about our partner on the videos. Just Google casino.org. Check them out. Phenomenal resource.
Going 0 for 10 2 times in a row is not a sign of moving on.
Phenomenal resource for any casino strategy you could possibly think of. They got blackjack, craps, roulette, pie gow, baccarat, ultimate Texas Hold'em, all the way to the newest slot machines you can find in casinos or online.
Looks like no matter what we play here, we're getting garbage.
Well, you got a minute and a half to not lose back $613 for us to win, or $113.
Boy, these are pretty bad cards.
Look out! I'm getting dealt 4 aces with a kicker.
We're getting such great cards. From greatness to ugliness.
Well, I told you not to switch games.
Yeah, we got 1 out of 30 in deuces.
4,
Inside
5,
straight.
7, 8.
Look out.
Man, talk about shutting off.
Really? Wow. This is crazy.
It's all your fault, Dad. You switched games. Oh, 2 kickers there. All right, now do something with these multipliers.
All right, we're going to take over.
Better turn this into a winner. Oh, boy. Let's end it there. We'll start a new video with all those multipliers. How about that? Well, that was a quick change from up $700 to up 500.
It was crazy. It was just all of a sudden.
One
bam.
extreme to another.
Yeah.
But anyways, high five. One last time, thanks to our partner on the videos.
Casino.org. Check them out for the latest in casino news, reviews, and strategy.